me home on that day.
Hi, how are you?
So I'm finally getting around to making my wreath. I have this metal wreath ring and it is from Dollar Tree, Walking Dollar. These are just some of the ornaments I picked up. The ribbon is from Michael's, and what do you call them? Like pipe cleaners, I think that's what we called them back in the day. Let's see what they call them. Tinsel stems. Those are from the Dollar Tree, and then yeah, just a array of decorations, and let's see how this turns out. It's my first time attempting to make a wreath. I just knew what I wanted, and I figured I wouldn't be able to find it at the store, so I'm going to try to do it myself. So this is a big fat fail. I'm gonna put a Dollar Tree on and get the one with the green, like, you know, faux tree branches, and then try again, because this is black. Like, you can see straight through it, so you'll see. So we'll try again. See, I don't mind showing you guys my successes and my failures. Like, I like to I don't want to perpetuate like this image that I'm perfect, because I'm not. And you know, I'm so ambitious. Like, I'll try just about anything, but I'm not afraid of my failures, because I feel like even in failures you learn things, you know, and maybe even you'll learn from my experience, you know. That's why, like, if I try a product and I don't like it, I will share it, or if I swatch something and it looks crazy, like, I still will share it with you, you know. Well, it's having fun playing with the mesh, but I know, like, when I watch YouTube and I watch some YouTubers and everything just like everything on fleek, like they just seem so perfect, you know, and it's like, oh, look at me and my perfect glow and my perfect room and my perfect videos, and I'm like, if that's them, like, if you the Beyonce of YouTube, like, then more power to you, and I'm gonna enjoy and I'm gonna watch your videos. But you know, that means I'm the Michelle. No shade to Michelle, because I love her. But you know, just to give you like an analogy, baby. You know, just to give you an analogy, you know, like, if that makes me the Michelle with air quotes, then I don't mind being that or doing that, because, you know, I just want to show that life is not perfect. You're gonna have your trials and your failures, your successes, and you know, that's what this was, and that's what sometimes it does happen on this channel. But yeah, I'm gonna try again tomorrow. Let's see the update, see how that goes. And yeah, I'm gonna show you my Christmas tree. Like, it's gonna be a pretty short vlog. Today was like anti-climactic. It was like I worked, I slept. That was it. You know, that's all we really did. The kids went to school and stayed with my mom, and yeah, Lil is up. It's very late at night, and yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. Thank you guys for watching, who are watching. I'm so grateful. I'm gonna keep this vlogmas thing going, and just check out the tree, okay? So it's a gift for buying at top of a discount store. As pretty as it is, it's crooked. I can't get it to sit up right, but it's still pretty. And yes, my black and white theme, I think it's executed pretty well. Black, white, and fur theme. Khalil, stop touching that. Isn't it? It's pretty, guys. I really, really like it. My bling, my peacock, my fur, reindeer, different type of snowflake, and right now it's sitting on this light Tupperware. I have to get a skirt. Look at this K. No Lil. Bounce my scissors. I was using. You no. my case. I gotta get a skirt. I probably will just get some fabric, some faux fur fabric, but we'll see. I did see a silver and white skirt I like. So we'll see. We'll get an update and see how it turns out. But this is our tree and I like it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And stay tuned for day 6 Vlogmas. Hopefully it'll be on time and hopefully I'll bring you some heat tomorrow. Alright guys, thanks for watching.